am letter H. My sound is H. Say H. Meet my friends. House, house, H, house. Say H, house. The initial sound of house is H. My house is beautiful. What is it? Hat, 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 hat. Say ha, hat. The initial sound of hat is ha. Wow, I like to wear hats. This is a horse. Horse, ha, horse. The initial sound of horse is ha. I like to ride horse. Now let's learn the formation of letter H. This is letter H. It sounds ha. Let's learn its formation. You will start from the dot, bring it down, go up, make a curve, and come down. It's letter H. Look at the picture. Say house, hat, and horse. The initial sound of house, hat, and horse is ha. Say ha.
Please like, share and subscribe this channel for getting more.